Good morning mga pogi, mga idol. Welcome back. Another installation here at Electrovox Enterprises. Today we have Toyota Hilux 2016-2017 model. Ang kinakabit namin today is this Marco Extreme Blast na truck horn. Sobrang lakas mga idol. Wow, as in wow talaga. Matatabay talaga yung mga mga motor tsaka mga jeep, mga bus na buwisit sa kalsada. So we're installing this today on the Hilux. As you can see, the installation process is ongoing. Two trumpets, two air compressors. This horn, Marco, is made in Italy. Heavy duty siya. Durable ang quality, mga idol. And it's stands out among all the different horns that you have in the market. The common ones that you usually hear, yung Bosch Europa, yung PIAA. Those are also amazing horns, but this one is something different, mga idol. So let me show you the final product, final installation natin in a while. And we'll also have a sound test of this horn para ma-appreciate na yung tunog na tong horn na to. Nakaka-wow talaga itong horn na to, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, ito na po yung final sound test natin for the Marco Extreme Blast Horn. Sample na natin. Let's go. Sir, testing natin. Okay, ito yung first horn pala. There's two horns in this car. So the first horn, that's the stock horn that Sir has, PIAA base horn. And then now we have the Extreme Blast. Let's go. There you go. You hear that? That's the shit. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.